some of the leading synth experts in Melbourne to come and give us their synthesizer wisdom. So I'm hoping that we'll come away inspired, enlightened.
It was just this extraordinary room with these modular synths in them, a couple of Moog things with regular keyboards. It was sort of very, very early days. One of the things I adore about these old synths too is that they don't need a keyboard to make a sound. They're just on. You know, you patch that in and it's working. You don't have to press a key or hold a key. It's always generating sound. I adore that.
It started for me, I got scared to death from watching Doctor Who. So particularly the intro theme, all those crazy sounds and all the incidental sounds throughout the show.
As we push forwards and people listen to more and more music, I guess everything's just going to mash together. And especially these days now, you can download anything from history.
There's two technologies that we've moved forward which we didn't have in the 70s. I should mention quickly, the Synth 100 originally came with a digital sequencer, a 256-step sequencer, and this was absolutely amazing stuff for the 70s. What I call a DC rectifier bridge. So the audio comes into that bridge, goes through a diode, and the capacitor gets filtered out, becomes a control voltage.
I think the future of synthesis is in control. I think the youth want control. I think the last bastion in music is silence, and I think we can get there through granular synthesis if we look at grains and we look far enough into grains, and I think being able to manipulate and then capture what you're recording and use as a wavetable done really nice and simply is the last unexplored bastion, and I think that's where I think the future will go.